Amazing news to share with you today. We are witnessing the biggest battle between two tech giants, Microsoft and Google, in the AI front. In this video, we'll have a look at the updates from both of these companies. We've already seen Chat GPT and its powers. It has gotten over 100 million users in just 2 months, making it the fastest platform to get there. And Google is not liking it at all. Make sure that you watch till the end, hit the like button, and let's have a look at the latest from the world of AI. So first of all, we have this latest blog from Sundar Pichai saying an important next step on our AI journey. If you will scroll down, you will see that they're introducing something called as Bard. Now, Bard is Google's answer to Microsoft's Chat GPT. They say that we've been working on an experimental conversational AI service powered by LaMDA, and we are calling it Bard. Now, LaMDA is their own large language model that they've been working on over the past 2 years, but they haven't made it public for everyone to use. They are opening it up to testers ahead of making it widely available to the public in the coming weeks. So in the coming weeks, we can actually use Google Bard, but let's have a look at what it looks like right now. Interestingly, one of the AI researchers who were working in the LaMDA project, which is powering your Google Bard, actually resigned from his job, saying that LaMDA has consciousness like humans. I don't know what to make of it. Let me know in the comment section, what do you think about this? So this is what Bard is all about, right? You can have a query and it will give you a response like this, as you can see. So this is how Google Bard looks like. The biggest benefit of Google Bard over ChatGPT is the fact that it can now search the web and get you the most latest updates on anything out there. So not only can you ask it events till 2021 like with ChatGPT, you can ask it who won the latest football match. You can finally get precise, up-to-date information from a chat-based AI, and it is possible with Google Bard. Also, it's been trained on a bigger model. LaMDA, according to Google, is bigger than GPT 3.5, which is what ChatGPT is powered by. Now, personally, I am excited about integrating Google Bard with the Google Suite. Imagine if Google Bard is present in your Google Calendars app and it can give you the ideal Google Calendar routine that you need to follow to get all of your tasks done. Or imagine you open up Gmail and Google Bard helps you to reply to all of your emails because it understands previous information of how you normally reply to emails. So it can write all of your emails on behalf of you and you will not be able to tell the difference. The possibilities here are endless, and that is what actually excites me the most. Now, Google Bard is not available right now, will be coming out in the next couple of weeks, but what we have right now is an app by Google Research called as AI Test Kitchen, which is available on both App Store and Google Play Store. So you can download that app. You will require to sign up for the waitlist and you will get accepted in about a day. I did get accepted to it. I just want to show you what it looks like so that you can get an idea of what to expect from Google Bard. And this is what the AI Test Kitchen looks like in front of you. So first of all, there are 3 things that you can do on this platform. These are demos that will give you an idea of what Google Bard will look like. And the first thing is imagine it. So you can essentially launch this demo and you can ask it to imagine an environment. Imagine a scene and it will give you vivid descriptions of how that place looks like. So I'll just say start. Imagine I am at a amusement park on Mars, right? And I'll just click on done and it will create a vivid description of what that would look like. So this was LaMDA's response to it. I can also ask it some more questions like how long is the roller coaster? What is that alien's name? What does the ice cream taste like? Let's just go, what is that alien's name? It will give me the answer to that as well. His name is Mars Bar. So that's basically how Imagine It works. We can go back to the next one, which is list. So list में क्या होता है? Basically, you can click on launch demo and you can ask it to specify instructions for doing anything. Like I want to learn full stack web development and work at a top tech co. I'll just press on enter and it will give me a step-by-step ways to do exactly that, right? Learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, build a portfolio, learn about DSA, apply for jobs, practice coding interviews, and get hired by a top tech company. Now that is not it. You can also click on individual pointers. So I'll just click on this and it will create more information about how can I exactly learn HTML, CSS and JavaScript. I can click on HTML basics and it will give me information about that as well, right? So HTML tags, HTML, block level elements, text level elements, inline level elements, lists and outlines. So all of these things I can master. I can again click on list and outlines and it will give me information about that as well. So that's how the listed feature works. I think this is better than Chat GPT because it is much more organized. So that's essentially how the listed feature works. I can also check out the last one, which is called talk about it. It's not much useful, I believe. इसमें क्या होता है? It will give you a topic to talk about, right? Like for example, in this case, this AI will only talk about dogs. So for example, I asked it, do aliens exist, right? Now this AI is trained to get the conversation to dogs, the focus of this conversation. So it says, I do not know much about astronomy, but have you ever wondered if aliens exist and if they have dogs? I hope they do. I would love to meet a dog from another planet. So that's how this AI Test Kitchen platform works. It's free for you to download. You can apply for the waitlist and you will get accepted in the next 24 hours and then you can start messing around with this tool. Now, this is Google. Let's now talk about what is the latest stuff from Microsoft. And Microsoft has come up with the new Bing. Now, the new Bing has a ton of interesting features that I want to show you right here. So as you can see on your screen, this is Bing. Right, this is the latest Bing, introducing new Bing. Ask real questions, get complete answers. Now, Microsoft has integrated GPT-4 with Bing, not Chat GPT, but GPT-4. Now, this is an advanced version of Chat GPT in which it is having access to internet. So it can also give you the latest up-to-date answers in front of you. Just to give you an example, I can ask it how to learn tennis and I can press on enter. And now I can get the normal results right here. What I have to do is to click on this part called as chat. As you can see over here, I click on chat and this is the pop-up that I get. Chat mode is only available when you have access to the new Bing. Essentially, this is a feature which will be coming out in the next couple of weeks, but here's an example of what it can actually do. So we can click on learn more and this is how we can use GPT-4 inside of Bing itself. Here are some queries that you can ask it and it will give you the answers. So for example, write me a rhyming poem. So I'll just click on try it on Bing and it will give me an answer to exactly that, as you can see right here. And this is the rhyme it made for Jake. This is how it works. I can also ask it to write a quiz on mitosis for practice. It will give me a quiz on exactly that. Again, it's not available for you to enter your own query, but you can use some of their demos to see what it will look like in Bing itself. In the next couple of weeks, we should be seeing it out there for everyone to use. So that is how that works. I can ask it to make a tweet. I can ask it to create a joke, a summary. I can ask it for letters as well. So that is how this tool will be working. What a time to be alive. I am super excited for what is to come from both Microsoft and Google. What do you think? Would you be more excited to use Microsoft Bing with GPT-4 or would you like to use Google Bard and integrate Bard with the complete Google suite? Let me know in the comment section what are your thoughts about the same. Thanks a lot for watching. I will see you all in the next video. Share this video with a friend of yours. You can follow me on social. I'll see you again.